question was, has the prevalence of autocorrect in students' lives affected their ability to spell? We use autocorrect for many tasks, from writing essays to texting. But has this affected students' ability to spell? To test this, we decided to give students and teachers spelling tests and then compare their scores. We chose 10 words that both students and teachers should know. However, each word had something about it that made it difficult to spell.
Our words were
rhetorical, rhetorical, rhetorical.
Conscience, conscience, conscience.
lieutenant, lieutenant, lieutenant.
Leisure, leisure, leisure.
Acquaintance, acquaintance, acquaintance.
Fluorescent, fluorescent, fluorescent.
Bureaucracy, bureaucracy, bureaucracy.
Definitely, definitley, definitely.
Dissatisfaction, dissatisfaction, dissatisfaction.
Lose, lose, lose.
After we compiled our list, we did an SRS of students and teachers at Granada and began to give our selected subjects their spelling tests.
Leisure, leisure.
Conscience, contionce.
fluorescent.
Leisure, leasure.
Dissatisfaction, dissatisfaction.
Fifth word is acquaintance.
I left the Syracuse. CQUINTC. I got some letters.
Okay.
RHETORICAL.
ACQUAINTENANCE. Boom!
Rhetorical, RETORICAL.
Leisure, leisure.
Rhetorical, RHETORICAL. Rhetorical.
Bureaucracy, BUROCRACE.
LIUTENANT.
Dissatisfaction, DISSATISFACTION.
CONSCIENCE.
Acquaintance, EQUATENCE, acquaintance.
What about lose? Nope. I lose at this game.
After we finished giving the tests, we graded them.
The most commonly misspelled word for teachers was fluorescent. 83% of teachers misspelled fluorescent. The most commonly misspelled word for students was bureaucracy. 73% of students misspelled bureaucracy.
We then constructed box and whisker plots of the data.
The numerical summary of the teacher data was as follows. The sample size was 30. The mean number of words missed was 4.567. The standard deviation was 2.49. The minimum was 0. The first quartile was 2. The median was 5. Q3 was 6, and the maximum was 10.
The numerical summary of the student data was as follows.
The sample size was 30, the mean number of words missed was 4.9, the standard deviation was 2.17, the minimum was 1, Q1 was 3, the median was 5, Q3 was 6, and the maximum was 9.
Teachers and students had fairly similar results. The teacher data had a slightly lower mean than the student data. Teachers scored approximately 0.333 words lower. The mean varied, but the median of both datasets was identical. Teachers had a slightly greater range of words missed. The IQR for teachers was 4, while the IQR for students was 3. Neither of the datasets showed any severe skewness or outliers.
For our calculations, we wanted to compare the true mean score for all teachers and students on a 10-question spelling quiz.
Our null hypothesis is that mu of t is equal to mu of s. Our alternative hypothesis is that mu of t does not equal mu of s. We will use a two-sample t-test for means with a significance level of 5%.
The sample is taken as an SRS from a single school instead of the entire population, so we proceeded with caution.
Both n of t and n of s were greater than 30, so both distributions were approximately normal by the CLT.
We can assume that the sample of teachers is independent because there are more than 300 teachers in the population, as is the sample of students because there are more than 300 students. It is also reasonable that the two samples are independent of each other.
We then performed our calculations and got a p-value of 0.5894.
We must fail to reject the null hypothesis because the p-value of 0.5894 is much larger than the significance level of 0.05. Thus, we have insufficient evidence to conclude that there is a significant difference between the true mean spelling scores of teachers and students.
We then performed a two-sample t-interval for means with a 95% confidence level. We found that we had insufficient evidence to conclude that there is a significant difference between the spelling abilities of students and teachers.
Different biases present in our study included non-response biases, the varying teacher ages because some teachers could have used autocorrect longer than others, and then teachers specializing in different subjects because some teachers use spelling more frequently than others.
The goal of our project was to see if growing up with autocorrect has affected students' ability to spell.
We gave spelling tests to students and teachers around the Granada campus.
The results of this project indicate that growing up with autocorrect has not significantly affected students' abilities to spell.
We do not have sufficient evidence to conclude that student scores vary significantly from teachers.
THEEND, the end.